Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to show FPS meter on your Samsung Galaxy A15 device. For this guys, we are going to download two applications. First one is Shizuku. Then install this application guys. And the other one is TacoStats FPS. Install these two applications guys. Okay, after installing, now all you guys have to do just go to developer option on your setting. So guys, in this section, we have the option of wireless debugging. So just enable this wireless debugging and that's it. Now go to the Shizuku app. So all you guys have to do just click to pairing. Click notification option and allow the notification guys. Now go back and then click to developer option. Now in developer option, just again go to wireless debugging and here tap on pair device with pairing code. So this is the code by the way 910393. Now enter the code here 910393 and then click send. So as you see pairing is successful. Now just go back to the application again and then click to start. So as you see it is now start. Now when it is done, so just go back and then all you guys have to do just open the TacoStats application. So in this application guys just click start, allow the permission and as you see the FPS meter is now start showing. Guys, we can also customize this. Let me tell you, just go to customize and here we have options like we can also have a CPU frequency. If you want, you can also do that. We can also have a GPU temperature, and if you're talking about the color and style, so yes, we can also change the size. We can also change the color, and yes, if you're talking about the background, so we can also enable the background like this. So that's how we can show FPS meter in Samsung Galaxy A15 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.